You asked for it, and you got it. Alex Green and Different Breed Productions presents The Sounds of Penetration, Volume 2, featuring 6 new classics. Take me down to the penetration city where the ammo's free and the guns are pretty. Oh, won't you please take me home? Take me down to the penetration city where the ammo's free and the guns are pretty. Oh, won't you please take me home? Now watch me shoot, and watch me reload. Now watch me shoot, watch me reload. Now watch me shoot, and watch me reload. Watch me shoot, and watch me reload. Do the penetrate, 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 do the penetrate. Woo! I don't see nothing wrong with a little tapping rag. I don't see nothing wrong. Yeah. I don't see nothing wrong with a little tapping rag. I don't see nothing wrong. If you really want to know, she comes here a lot. She just likes to hear the ammo and shoot. 9mm her favorite round. If you have some, you might have a chance. Tonight she's only dry firing. She's friendly and fun-loving most of the time. But don't ask her on a penetration night. She'll start thinking about him, and she's ready to fight. Blames her empty mags on every man in sight on a penetration night. I'm just an old ammo junkie, spending my time investing my money, feeding my rifle cause I love my country. I'm just an old ammo junkie, I can't stand to hear ammo stop. I keep loading my mags in my Glock. I buy every round from A to Z. I'm just an old ammo junkie, and it's a great day to penetrate. I know my ammo's still flying when I use my sights, and it's a fun times in my neighborhood. But why can't every range day be just this good?